Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox this portable pushchair or baby stroller which I recently got from Lazada Thailand. As you can see, the price including delivery charges is 2608 baht, and in USD it runs around 85 USD. The brand name is Baby Grace and it is sold on Lazada by Lady Lazy. As per the description, you can see all the details over here, everything is mentioned. It has some pretty good reviews. Let's open it up. This manual you will definitely need. First you have to open this handle up and then look for this hook down here. As you open this hook, this is how the stroller opens up. This is where you buckle up your baby from both the sides. It moves around very smoothly, no issue at all. This is for the milk or water bottle of the baby, and it goes right here. This straps back here can be loosened or tightened accordingly. Now let's come to the most important feature of this stroller. You can lock it by pressing this red brick. See, now it's not moving, and as you pull it up, stroller starts moving. For closing the stroller, you need to press these red buttons, and under the seat there is this knob which you have to press first like this and then pull.